If you're thinking about starting a home business, it needs to be something that's fun and easy to start. The good news is that I can show you how to earn a nice extra part-time income by turning your passion into profit and working right out of your garage. You do not need to be a professional carpenter or own a huge workshop with expensive machines to be successful. All you need to know is the what, the who and the where. What items to actually make for more profit, who to sell it to, and where should you sell it. Starting a profitable woodworking business is not as risky or difficult as you might think. Now, if you want an easy-to-start business that does not require you to shell out an arm and a leg for expensive machinery or tools. If you want a business that allows you to work from home and gives you more quality time with your family. If you want something you can do in your spare time that doesn't interfere with your regular work. If you want a business that you can grow into a full-time thing, if you chose to do so. If you want an opportunity that provides a lot of income, quickly and easily with the skills you already have. I present to you Profits from Madeira Trademark. How to start and run a successful woodworking business from house. The complete audio guide that will take you from where you currently are to owning a thriving home woodworking business in your spare time. I'm offering the entire Wood Profits package with all guides, trademark, plans and coaching for a measly one-time investment of just $197, $97, $37. Secure your discount and start your home joinery business today.